Accurate simulation when verifying part programs is important, especially on high-value parts or long production runs. So having correctly modeled tools is vital to success. Initial tool insert geometry chosen for cutting parts can be exported from FeatureCam and read into Fusion 360 using AnyCAD. With a comprehensive range of CAD tools, from constraint-based sketching, surface and mesh modeling, to parametric, direct, freeform and assembly modeling, Fusion 360 can be used to create accurate tooling models ready to be used in FeatureCam. Models can be brought back into FeatureCam and used as tool holders to create more accurate machine simulations which provide a better representation of the machining environment. Connecting the capabilities of FeatureCam and Fusion 360 in this way increases confidence that parts can be manufactured safely and effectively.